feel like you're right in your memories again.
Google, in partnership with Samsung and Qualcomm, announced Android XR. Now this is really exciting, and the demo that they showed looked wonderful and promising. My favorite feature was the full integration of Gemini. It looked so frictionless.
Hey Gemini, can you show me VR 180 videos of this place?
Sure, I can help with that.
Now the main question here for us is, what does this mean for the developers, and how do we get started in creating apps and experiences for Android XR? Well, since this is a new operating system built for the upcoming device from Samsung, and Qualcomm partners like Link, Sony and XReal, maybe Magic Leap as well, this means that the OS is not just for the VR headsets but also for the AR glasses. I mean, the word XR in Android XR itself is a big giveaway, but I want to mention it anyway, that is just not for VR but AR as well. Of course, mixed reality is included as well. Technically speaking, if you're using Unity and AR Foundation, then AR Foundation has a feature of occlusion which you can use to create mixed reality experiences. So as a developer, if you build your experience once, you can deploy it to a wide range of devices. And if you have an existing Android app, you can port that as well very easily. They did mention that they'll be bringing the Play Store to Android XR, so most of the Android apps will automatically be available without any additional development effort. But you will have to meet certain requirements. Do you know what's the best part? You don't even have to learn new skills to build for this OS. If you're someone who's building apps with Kotlin and Android Studio, then you can use the Jetpack XR SDK, which offers similar libraries and tools. If you're someone who is building Android apps using Unity, then you can use Android XR extensions to port your existing apps or create a new one. And if you are a web developer, you can use WebXR. But if you're someone who has developed for WebXR, then you have a big advantage because the same experience is going to work on Android XR as well. And finally, if you're a hardcore developer and you like to build using the Android XR's core API, then you can use OpenXR packages. Now coming to the next question, how do I get started in creating apps or experiences for Android XR? Well, you can visit their website developer.android.com/xr. Scroll down, and based on the platform that you want to develop to, you can check out their documentation and follow the instructions and tutorial mentioned here. I personally use Unity to build apps and experiences, so I'll be making a separate video on how you can get started with Unity and Android XR to build apps, and also show you how you can port existing applications for Android XR. I know the official Android XR headsets have not been released yet, but we can still prepare ourselves for its launch. I'm really excited for this, and I hope you are too. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.